Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here, and I have to say sorry to some of the clients who message me and on WhatsApp and other chat due to this Spring Festival, and I'm not able to reply the message on time. Sorry for that. Usually I will get you or instant reply on WhatsApp and other chat. And also thanks for many people caring about my status. Actually, because of the coronavirus in China, it's affected the whole country, but actually I'm very good. Thanks for your caring, and thanks for many people putting the orders on my website. But sorry for the festival and again the coronavirus, we are not able to ship on time. And actually now FedEx and DHL, they give us the notice that we have to wait for a few days and see the situation, and so we have no clear idea what time we can ship all the orders yet. Please please wait patient, or if you feel not comfortable with us, you can contact me to cancel the order. Thanks for your support. And in this new year after holiday, when we started work, we will work more harder and harder to improve our quality of the products, also improve the service of us. And thanks for all your support in the last year, and in this year we will work more and more to give you a more beautiful 2020, and give our best. Thanks for all your caring message. I'm absolutely fine, and I'm ready to get back to work and give a more fulfilled year of 2020. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.